So here we are for the tutorial of the Aladdin Biflex, how to mount the battery adapter plate onto your power unit. So either you have the gold mount style plate or the V mount style plate. Both mount the same onto the back of the power unit. Both have the same options, just depends on your battery style. So the battery plate always comes delivered plate, a cover plate and a bag full of screws. So either you mount the plate on the back of your battery plate, and then you're able to mount a belt clip to it to mount it onto your belt, so you can adjust the mount on your belt. So on one side you're able to have the power unit with the belt clip, and on the other side you're gonna have the battery with the belt clip. But most of the time the people don't need this plate, and you run it straight on the back of your power unit. And to mount the battery plate on the back of your power unit, you just need a Phillips screwdriver. So first thing you have to do is the connector cover. So remove the connector cover. There are just 2 screws to open. And the nice thing is, underneath is a space to put your cover. So you're not going to lose it if you want to go backward one day. So just screw it down there into position. And voila. Then you see you have a connector inside with a red and a black wire. The same thing on the back of the battery cover. Just make sure that the black goes to black and the red goes to red. Just plug them together, click. And then you have to squeeze the plug into the housing. Then make sure that the cable runs on the good side, not get squeezed underneath any part of the battery plate, that it goes easy and smooth onto the back cover. Also important is there is threads for gold mount or V mount. It's always marked with a round square or a round point or a square. So the square is gold mount and the round one is V mount. Also there are 2 threads to mount the belt clip onto the back. So in this case, as we mount the V mount, we're gonna use the round points. So make sure cables are not in the back position. There we go. So now we have a bag full of screws. Usually they're coming more screws than you need. So in case you're losing some, you still have some backup screws. So now you have these 4 holes. Put the screws in it. Phillips screwdriver. Find the threads, there we go. Screw down the 4 screws. Here we go. So now you can put the battery on the back and it's going to be powered internal. So you don't need any cable to the battery. It's powered by itself. Yeah, that's the tutorial how to mount the battery plates on the back of your control unit.